South Carolina, y'all, but now I'm in
North Carolina.
Oh, you're right. Okay, so I'm still in Carolina. How about that? But we moved on from Myrtle Beach.
Uber, excuse me.
Uber's calling us.
Hi.
So I moved on from Myrtle Beach, and now I am in Charlotte, North Carolina with my best friend from Ships, Kelly. I met her in 2014, and she and I have been best friends ever since. And so I left my family vacation. Sorry, she's talking to our Uber driver. Oh, give me this lighting! Yes, this lighting right here is so good. Anyways, so I came to Charlotte. So I was in Myrtle Beach for Saturday to Saturday, and then she and I came to Charlotte. And she's being alert in the background. And we are about to go to brunch with some of her friends, and we're gonna take you guys along for the ride and finish off this. I wasn't supposed to stop. Oh God, that was a dog. That scared me. We're gonna finish off this Carolina trip with a bang. Brunch, brewery, shenanigans.
Brunch, brewery, bang.
No bang for me. Brunch at Stoke. What you gonna get, Kelly Jo?
I'm gonna get. Stop. You're recording.
You're gonna be on the vlog. Come on.
I'm gonna get a chicken biscuit. Sure. Yeah. What'd you get? Chicken biscuit.
The most southern menu of my life. Yum. And mimosas.
It has little writing prompts where you go in and you like answer little questions about yourself. So you like say, what do I do? There's an answer. Oh, there it is. And then it's like a secret about me, my pet only knows a couple of things.
You look so interesting in this.
Yeah, so
I don't sell well.
But the cool thing I learned about Minge through her is that it gives you like several prompts. So it kind of like helps you not be so awkward. Where it like gives you a few questions that you can answer. It is a good selling point. I'm not gonna lie to you.
it is a good selling point, but
We can get some.
Oh.
hashtag Photoshop.
Photoshop Jamie like a rover.
I'll go find a feather backpack and put it on you real quick.
You need to add a brunette ponytail, and it's a done deal.
Can we just get a green screen and just
Yeah, where you want to go, girl? Southern breakfast, biscuit, chicken, maple bacon, and pimento cheese that's like oozing off the side. Kelly got the same thing. What'd you get here? Same thing but steak?
sandwich with caramelized onions, pimento cheese, and steak.
Steak, caramelized onions. So basically everybody at this table has pimento cheese on their breakfast. Is that Southern? Is pimento cheese Southern?
Yeah, it is.
I think so. And then you got
grits.
just the one grit.
Oh, and grits. Only one grit, singular.
Only one grit.
Because I'm not that hungry.
Yeah, I'm very full today. I'm a lady. Hey y'all, I'm about to eat I almost said a pimento cheese. This is not. What is this called? A grit.
Grit.
For the first time.
No, just grits, plural.
It's gonna be a grit. I'm gonna eat grits. Okay, man.
How do you feel? Are you happy with your decision?
Yeah, it's creamy. It kind of tastes like if rice and mashed potatoes had a baby.
You just got so Southern. It kind of tastes like.
I'm around y'all. You just sounded British though.
I've been watching my childhood on old tapes from the past. I remember the young blood, but we grew up too fast. We were playing as soldiers, making swords out of pens. Oh, we used to be.
So we're at the brewery. Of course,
Right next to it.
I got a pretzel because if there is a pretzel on the menu, I will be getting it. And then we got this thing over here, which we pretty much don't know what like 90% of this is, but charcuterie, is that what they call it? It's pretty though. Pickled radish, because that's apparently a thing. I was like, Danielle, are you gonna sing it for her? She's like, no, let's get wasted. Yeah, she wants me to perform for y'all. I'm like,
Yes! I want to hear it.
call me if Kelly does a dance solo.
Woo!
You want to cheers me or what?
That's a good one. I'll send it to you. You're like, okay. Get the camera on my face.
I know the song.
big on
Da, da,
I'm not.
da, 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 We're right by this musician. He just started to play. We got the best seats in the house. Ready? We just requested spin doctors.
1, 2, princesses before you. That's what I said now. Princess who adore you. Just go ahead now. This one, diamonds in his pocket, ain't innocent. And this one said he wants to buy you rockets, ain't innocent now. Yeah. Want to call me baby, just go ahead now. And if you want to tell me baby, just go ahead now. And if you want to buy me flowers, just go ahead now. And if you'd like to talk for hours, just go ahead now. That's alright.
He earned that $10. He
The
earned
first song's been played. She'll never hear it.
He hates me. He hates me.
I got friends in those places where the whiskey drowns and the beer chases my blues away.
Hey, 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 no.
I'll be okay. Yeah, I'm not big on social graces. I slip on down your waist, so I got friends.
She said that doesn't know real music.
I got friends in low places where the whiskey drowns and the beer chases my blues away.
Hey, 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 hey.
But I'll be okay. Yeah, I'm not big on social graces. Think I'll slip on down.
Oh, wait.
So I got friends.
You know, let's say. Yeah. Probably 7 years ago. I'm trying to get in the hole, right? That's the. Right? 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 Go, sir. What are we playing to?
Okay, babe.
Get.
Oh, you played at 21. Yes! Alright, we got 4. Okay, we got 4.
That's four. Four is in the hole, and then what's the rest?
3's in, 1's on the board. So then it.
Three's in, one's on the board, and then
This 4 leaves the tank.
three's in, one's on the three's in, one's on the board, and then nothing.
And then there's based on what they get.
I see. These hush puppies smell unlike anything I've ever smelled in my entire life. I got some burnt ends. I don't even know what that means. Oh my god, and some baked beans. I'm about to eat this mac and cheese too. Holy
And
I'm taking it for
pulled pork.
pulled pork. And this is like a southern, this is like the most southern.
taking it for like.
Oh, can I have a bite of that sausage,
Get out of here. Get out of here.
You're
Yes.
sharing with me. You don't get it. I just got home from the most delicious Carolina barbecue dinner of my life. I might go puke in the toilet. I could be making that up. I don't know. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a giant thumbs up. There's Kelly and her cat. And subscribe to my video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already by clicking the link. There she is again. Down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.